Hello YouTube, in this video I am going to show you how to change the code on an Optima XM burglar alarm panel. So first off, press program. So for me that's that button there. Enter your old code. For me that's 1972. Press 8. And then enter your new code, so I'll just use 1, 2, 3, 4, and then press reset. So that's now successfully changed the code. Now to make sure it's working, we'll set the system and then unset the system. So the system's setting, I'll just press quick set to speed it up. So now to unset, we'll do the same. So we now know we've successfully changed the code. Thank you for watching and goodbye.